Talking of aviation back in India, it might be going through a bad time when it comes to passenger growth and the recessionary times. But going ahead and looking at an election year, helicopters, it could be a boom ride. And that's one of the reasons US major Bell is stepping up its plans in India, even so far of setting up a factory or an outlet in the back-end side in the country.
As Indian aviation struggled to steer past rough weather, a steady growth in helicopter business in India clearly emerged out as a silver lining. So much so that helicopter maker Bell is now looking at setting up a helicopter assembly center here in India and is presently scouting for strategic partners.
I would call it a completion base, where the aircraft assembly center, where they come in and they complete the aircraft according to what the customers would like to have. Really prompted it is the number of aircraft that Bell has now in the country. We own greater than 50% market share, 100 aircraft today. We see that growing at about 15 to 20 aircraft per year.
After all, chartered helicopter operators like Global Vector, key clients to Bell Helicopters in India, are seeing business boom and are themselves charting out fleet expansion plans. Moreover, helicopter taxi services are gaining momentum in the country.
We want to grow in offshore. We'll be adding about 4 to 6 machines in the next 12 months. But we are also now expanding on the onshore, like we are doing the shuttle services at Bangalore. We are also doing other corporate charters, and we see a very fast growing market.
Sources say that possible partners to Bell could include engineering giant like Larsen and Toubro, besides Mahindra & Mahindra and Tatas, who have not only been actively enhancing their aircraft part manufacturing capabilities, but have also been fighting for a pie in the defense equipment manufacturing space, dominated by global giants like Lockheed Martin, which is also here with big India plans.
We've been talking to Tata & Sons. We've been talking in the civilian space and in military and in aerospace. We've talked to Mahindra Defense as another possibility. We've talked to many IT companies. Infosys is a good example. So we are actively looking now to understand innovation in India and where is it that we can actually take advantage of what India does.
Indeed, Bell seems to be at India's doors at the right time. In Hyderabad with camera person Suhas Chaudhary, Rumi Datta Hardas Milani, NDTV.